Question number 1. What are the repeating units of nucleic acid? Phosphate molecules, nucleotides, base, sugar molecules. Correct answer is option B, nucleotides. Question number 2. Chromosome measurement are generally taken during interphase, prophase, anaphase, none of these. Correct answer is none of these. Question number 3. Proteins are made up of amino acid linked together by specific bond called peptide bond, nitrogen bond, hydrogen and nitrogen bond. Correct answer is option A, peptide bond. Question number 4. Cancer cell are unlimited number of cell division, growth without external signals, avoidance of cell death, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Cancer cells are unlimited number of cell division, growth without external signal, avoidance of cell death. Question number 5. The enzyme which builds a mRNA strand complementary to the DNA transcription unit is called DNA polymerase, RNA polymerase, helicase, DNA ligase. Correct answer is option B, RNA polymerase. Question number 6. A gene is a section of DNA that code for protein. This unique sequence of base will code for production of unique protein is exon, intron, regulatory sequence, none of this. Correct answer is option A, exon. Question number 7. Change in the nucleotide sequence of DNA which aren't passed through offspring occur in egg and sperm cell, non-sexual cell, diploid and haploid cell, all of the above. Correct answer is option B, non-sexual cell. Question number 8. Those mutations that occur by environmental damage or mistake during DNA replication are acquired mutation, inherited mutation, A and B, none of this. Correct answer is option B, inherited mutation. Question number 9. Proto-oncogene in normal cell code for protein involved in the stimulus of cell division, suppress progression through the cell cycle in response to DNA damage, initiate apoptosis, none of the above. Correct answer is option A. Proto-oncogene in normal cell code for protein involved in stimulus of cell division. Question number 10. During cell division, there are three types of checkpoints. One of them, M checkpoint, to ensure chromosomes are attached to spindle, complete DNA replication, DNA not damaged or broken, all of the above. Correct answer is option A. Chromosomes are attached to spindle. Question number 11. Those cancers that derive from ectoderm or endoderm of epithelial cell are called carcinoma, sarcoma, leukemia, myeloid. Correct answer is option A, carcinoma. Question number 12. Histone 4 H4 consists of 102 amino acid and it has negative charge, positive charge, neutral, none of this. Correct answer is option B. It has positive charge. Question number 30. A made inside the nucleus of cell associate with protein to form ribosome. mRNA, rRNA, tRNA, all of the above. Correct answer is option A, rRNA. Question number 40. Why sickle cell disease so called? Because it makes people sick. It's named after a special types of white blood cell. pH change in the blood cell make them collapse into sickle shape because it caused by infectious microorganism that has sickle shape cell. Correct answer is option B, because it's named after special type of white blood cell. Question 50. Protein that assist the binding of RNA polymerase to the promoter region on DNA strand are called transcription factor, SSB protein, sigma factor, all of the above. Correct answer is option A, transcription factor. Question number 16. Which one of the following is not true of DNA? A pair with T and G pair with C. Nitrogen base are 0.34 nanometer apart on a DNA strand. The double helix is 2.0 nanometer wide. The double helix is 3.4 nanometer wide. Answer is option D. Question number 17. Which of the following is not needed for DNA transcription? Ribosome, nucleotides, DNA, enzyme. Correct answer is option A. Ribosome is not needed for DNA transcription. Question number 80. Which of the following description of chromosome is not correctly matched? Metacentric. Chromosomes are almost equal in size. Correct. Submetacentric. Chromosome arms are slightly different in size. Correct. Acrocentric. Chromosome arms are identical in size. This is incorrect. Telocentric. There is only one chromosome arm. Is it true? Correct answer is option C. Question number 90. Dash portion of chromosome that stand lightly and only partially condense. Heterochromatin, euchromatin, facultative chromatin, constitutive. Answer is option B. Euchromatin. Question number 20. Which of the following may contribute to causing cancer? A mutation in a gene that slows the cell cycle, faulty DNA repair, loss of control over telomere length, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. A